Okay, class. This is the second part of the video series from installing and setting up Cowrie Honeypot. All right. So if you have not watched my first part of the video, please do. Otherwise, student would not understand about this video tutorial. All right. The next thing that you need to do is to install Docker. Okay, so what is Docker? Docker is a container, right? It's a container that we can run this thing in Dockers, right? The Cowrie. Let me see. What you need to do to run Docker, we need to have Python. And then Python virtual environment, which we already installed that, which I already show you the video in the first part. Let me see. What is this? Let me see. So we need to install the Docker. This is how you install it. Sudo apt install docker.io, right? After you install that, make sure you install this as a root using root privilege, okay? And then it takes about a few minutes to install this. After that, let me see what's the next thing here. The next thing is run this command, right? Docker run -port 2222:2222 and you put space Cowrie/Cowrie the latest, right? Again, we need to run this as a root privilege. Okay, so we need to put sudo here if you notice that. Unable to find the image, okay, just leave it alone locally. So latest pulling from Cowrie. So we're gonna put this locally, so just takes a while, right? Pulling it all the layers, it takes a while. Just wait here, and then here once it's finished, as you can see, I'm running Python 3.11, right? So the requirement for this one is Python 3.8. Okay. All right. After you finish that, once I do SSH, as you can see, let me see. I'm running here. See if I. Well, in here, I think I was successfully installing this. If you see, let me see, I did some command, right? As soon as I run the Cowrie and then I SSH using PuTTY, right? In case you don't have PuTTY, you need to download the PuTTY, okay? So let me show you the program for the PuTTY, right? This is the PuTTY. Let me see. PuTTY. Okay, this one, PuTTY, right? So if you don't have the PuTTY, you need to download that. You need to load this, right? And the port is 222, right? As you click open, and then you see that on the Honeypot Cowrie, it will record everything. Notice that I already ran this command earlier. So you can see, let me see, I run this print working directory, right? I run this command ls space -a, right? And it show me all of this thing, right? Notice that after a while I didn't do the command and the SSH get disconnected, right? If you notice that this is the time, right? I haven't changed the time this, so they use the UTC command, UTC timestamp, this one, right? I make this recording in April the 5th, 2024, but the time show that at 11:43 p.m. I'm actually here in the Central Standard Time. The time is 7 p.m. right? All right. So thank you for watching. Hopefully that this video informative. I will provide the documentation in Blackboard. Bye.